to Shorthand Simplified. This is the continuation of previous video. So sentence is if we can. If we can. Phrase them together. Aid them in any way. In any way. We ought to do. We ought to do so. It was too cool. So it was too cool. Third place vowel, and this is a upstroke, so k is up below the line. For bathing at the beach, at the beach. So they came back to the pool. They will be leaving for Canada. So for Canada is k consonant, n consonant, d consonant. So and a first vowel is a vowel. So first position vowel. So Canada. First downstroke is above the line, and as it is proper noun, so two outlines, two dashes underneath this outline. So and vowels are ka, na, ne, and da. All are first place vowels. On the 10th of the month. They will go. So they will go to Winnipeg. So it is Winnipeg. On the 10th. The lady saw a copy. So saw a copy of the book looking at Asia. So looking at Asia. If she can. So if she can come in to see us. We can show a lady a copy of the book for which she was asking. So asking. Next sentence. We shall be lucky. We shall be lucky if we get. Lucky if we get any money for doing the job. For doing the job. Maybe the you can phrase them together. May be the lunch can be given on a different day. A talk was to be given on the, so on the is slightly tilted. Topic, topic, topic. So o vowel, first place vowel. So t is above the line. So topic and ik, topic. Feeding the family. So feeding the pig and family. Eva, Eva, proper noun, was talking of going to, so going, so going to Manitoba, in May, May is a proper noun. If they wish, so if they wish to make any money, they will have to do the job in a different way, The wood was too thick, so too thick. It was an inch in width, so we had to ship it back. We wish to know, so we wish to know if it will make any difference to them, if we ship load of coal today. The change may be put into effect. Put into word is written like this, into effect. Effect in May. Effect. If we can think of any way of doing the thing in a different way, we shall ask them to come in to see us, We have no wish, so we have no wish to make a change which will affect so many, you can phrase them together, but they have a different way of looking at it, So these were the sentences. In the next video I will be giving you a practice dictation. Thank you.